So the YouTube videos that I create have a lot of tips and tricks to help you travel more efficiently, to travel more often, and to travel more confidently. But I get a lot of questions about very specific cases. And there is just generally so much more that goes into creating a life you love that I just can't share for the general audience. So I wanted to create a place where I can really dig in and personally help you to travel more and to create a life you love. So that is why I am launching the Average Girls Club. Average Girls Club is a monthly membership where we will build community around travel, around building personal wealth, and general personal success as average girls who want to do cool things. All members will get early access to new videos, polls, and members-only short videos, and I've kept the price for that under $5 a month. But the big magic here is the adventurers level, because that is where we are going to dive in together and build a full community. First of all, you get access to the Average Girls chat. You'll set up your own personal profile, and you'll get to chat with me and with a whole community of women who love to travel, who love to live big lives, and are truly creating lives that they love. Also, in that community, you're going to get access to all of my trip planning resources as they roll out. And this is a big one because one of my big goals for this year is to release more digital products. I've been working on packing lists. I've been working on a group trip planning kit. I've been working on trip planners. There's so many things, and I figured, you know what, instead of like trying to force feed those out to the broader audience, I just want to put them in like one place where people can access them and get all the help that they need. So let's just give them to members as part of the community. Adventurers are also going to get monthly community videos, and I'm going to do a live Q&A where once a month I am going to answer all of your questions and help members to actually plan their trips live, which I think is gonna be really, really cool. So the adventure level is just $10 a month. That's it. That's all I'm charging. And the trip planning resources alone are like worth way more than $10. So if you wanna join me and a whole bunch of other average girls who are doing cool things, all you gotta do is go click that little YouTube join button below. And if you have questions, just leave me a comment and I will do my best to answer. And I can't wait to help you create a life you love over in the group chat.